On the phone now. Good morning, Governor.
Good morning. How are you?
We're doing okay, but we're inside, so we're in a good spot today. What are your areas of concern on a day like today?
Well, as you said, we've had the Emergency Operations Center partially open and staffed overnight, and now fully staffed this morning as the wind picks up. And you all have been hitting on our big areas of concern. First and foremost, people really shouldn't be traveling today unless they really need to. State police have lowered the speed limits on our major highways in most of the state to 45 miles an hour. We are expecting what is known sometimes as a ground blizzard, that high winds with a lot of light blowing snow, so visibility is going to continue to be an issue. It's so cold out that you're going to continue to see snow on the roadways because salt isn't very effective. We have wind chill advisories. So we're really just asking people to stay in, check on your friends and neighbors by phone, and then if you need to go out to help them, be careful when you do. We are reminding people to bring pets inside. This is really, really cold weather, and with these winds coming up today, that's going to be a concern. If you do see a power outage, again, with winds like this, we could see scattered power outages, and you're using a generator, please make sure it's ventilated. Please make sure after this storm is over to go out and what we're calling adopt a fire hydrant, clear it 3 feet around. Then you can post it on Facebook or Twitter, by the way, and hashtag adopt a hydrant and post it to our Homeland Security or Emergency Management site. Most importantly, though, people should just really be careful about travel today. We are monitoring things closely, and we will have shelters open if there are those power outages or if we do get requests from local communities. And that's one of the things we monitor at the Emergency Operations Center. We stay in touch with our local communities, find out what's going out there, and then the state and the local communities can partner to make sure everybody's safe.
Governor Maggie Hassan live from the Emergency Operations Center for us. Thanks so much, Governor.
Yeah.